SRQ Auto, people you like, cars you can trust.
Make a great choice today with 2011 E-350. Ford has maintained its level of success for E-Series by continually monitoring its customers' needs and maintaining a high level of quality, power and strength, spacious comfort, abundant and versatile cargo capacity. These have made E-350 America's choice for personal and commercial vans over the past 3 decades. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.